Hey guys, this is Koi-Fish 2009. If you're new, subscribe. And I know this video is gonna get that paper and stuff because there's a freaking helicopter landing at my local park, and yeah, and it's just gonna be right in that little park area. So, hey guys, so I think it's coming. There's a flight guide in there. I don't know if you can see him. You probably can't.
He's putting the light signal
Oh, sorry if the crickets are too loud. Hey, Dad. He's putting the lights down. And yeah. There's a helicopter coming now. Here he comes. Pretty sure that's him. There he is, there he is. He's up in the sky. There he is. Okay guys, he's back behind the trees. Fire department and the popo over there. And it's just crazy.
I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, guys. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Hey.
He's behind the trees. Oh, he's coming in. He's coming in. He's back behind the trees. That's freaking nice. Oh my gosh. There he is. What the frick? Freaking helicopter. What the frick? Isn't it an emergency helicopter? What the frick? It's way bigger in real life, guys. It's so loud. He's coming out. Yeah, that's what we were thinking. Oh, Wyatt. Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. It smells freaking crazy right now, guys.
But you think if it was training, they'd be rushing too, though, you know?
It's so big.
Guys, please hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe. Go get those views. This is freaking nice. This is crazy. I think he's going back up. Moving. Huh?
There's no way for it.
Yeah. Oh, they have somebody. Or I think. What is this?
Wyatt started doing bye-byes. Say bye-bye, helicopter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Did you do his hand?
I don't know.
Do his hand.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look.
Got more ambulances coming.
They do?
Wow.
Guys, they got more ambulances coming. Oh my gosh, it's crazy down there. Friggin' Poco and everything. Guys, the friggin' ambulance just came. Another one. I don't know what they're doing.
See that I went and tried on suits for fun.
Yeah, it would be like a swagger.
Bro, I'd be looking.
Bro, even to be dead. What's this?
Oh, there's somebody in the ambulance people.
I forgot about this phone.
Guys, he's taking off. Oh, he's going! Oh, that's nice. There he goes. Chopper's gone. Little light in the sky. Now it's just a little light in the sky, and it was just freaking 1,000 feet, or I don't know how many feet away from us.
Around there already up in mine.
Well, everybody back to normal.
Yeah, pretty well.
That was fast. Everybody go home. Hey guys, I'm on my bike right now going home, and that was freaking crazy. I know it's hard to see me because, well, it's freaking dark, or like the sun's setting. We were there for like 30 minutes about, and yeah, that was freaking crazy.